welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm so excited to do. Today we're going to be doing my Trader Joe's favorite items video, Frozen edition. So if you guys don't know, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should be, at ACierra, I live in Trader Joe's, and now I'm a regular. Okay, I get mostly all of my groceries from Trader Joe's besides baby stuff. That's when I have to go to Target. So I want to show you guys some of my favorite frozen items and give you guys the tea on what you need to pick up at Trader Joe's. So take out your pen and your paper, because honey, I'm about to show you some stuff that you really need to try at Trader Joe's. Okay, so just a quick disclaimer, I have a lot of rices, so you guys will see a lot of rices in this video, but this is one of my favorites, and this is a shrimp seafood burger. And guys, these taste really good if you put them on the pan, on the stove, with just some olive oil, or even if you want to pop them in the air fryer. These are actually really good. I'm also an air fryer junkie, so I've tried pretty much everything in the air fryer. So I have these, they're the shrimp burgers. Definitely recommend these. We've also have had these with shrimp and grits. Honestly, we've been eating them a lot with breakfast, and they're amazing. Okay, these are absolutely amazing. I also have the chili lime and chicken burgers. These are delicious. Same thing, you can cook them on the stove or cook them in the air fryer, and they really do taste good just like this, with avocado, bread, lettuce. They're amazing. Now, I did try the salmon burgers and I wasn't really a fan. So chili lime chicken burgers and the shrimp burgers definitely add to your list. Next, we're gonna move to macaronis. Now, this is the Hatch chili mac and cheese, and y'all, this is amazing. Now, all the macaronis that I've tried from Trader Joe's, I always bake them in the oven, and y'all, this is culture approved, period. You can take this to the cookout and you won't get roasted, because it actually tastes like you baked a macaroni and cheese. So this is definitely a recommendation if you're looking for a good macaroni and cheese to try. Now, this mac and cheese, okay, this one it's a different taste, but it's a little bit better than the Hatch chili one, just because it has so much layers and it actually gives you that baked mac recipe feel. And I just add a little Creole seasoning to this, bake it in the oven, and these do take a little while, so I usually bake these first. Take about 35 minutes, but y'all, these are so delicious. So delicious, and they're perfect for like a quick but yummy side whenever you're cooking dinner. So definitely recommend this. Next, I'm gonna move on to desserts, and I only have one dessert that I've tried that's frozen and I love, and this is the apple blossoms that are fully baked. And y'all, you can put this in the air fryer too, but also you can put it in the oven. You know, I'm always cooking things fast now that I'm a mom, so the air fryer is just my go-to. But this in the oven, delicious. Add some vanilla ice cream, delicious. It's crispy. It literally tastes like a fresh baked apple pie. You can even add a little cinnamon on top, but we love this. So definitely pick up one of these if you like apple pies. Delicious. Next up is the chicken tikka samosas. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but guys, this is delicious. I've never tried a samosa. Samosas, I don't know, I hope I'm saying this right, but I've never tried one of these before I shopped at Trader Joe's. And that's one thing that I like about Trader Joe's. They have different themed food, so like Indian themed, Mexican themed, and you know, they have all these different themes, Korean inspired, and I just love it. You know, all the different flavors. This is delicious. It has like chicken and stuff inside, chicken, vegetable, Indian spices, and you can put these in the air fryer, guys, for a quick snack, and they're delicious. So good. So definitely try these. Now we're gonna move on to rices. A vegetable fried rice. Y'all, this is a must-have if you like vegetable fried rice. If you go to Trader Joe's and you don't pick up vegetable fried rice or chicken fried rice, why? This is so delicious, y'all, especially if you cook it on the stove with a little bit of olive oil. It literally tastes like hibachi rice. It's delicious, and it goes so quick with any meal, salmon, chicken, anything. It's so good. So definitely recommend getting a bag of vegetable fried rice. I would actually recommend you get 2 bags. The next rice I like is this Korean inspired beef fried rice with kimchi. Y'all, this is amazing. Okay, I cooked this on the stove with olive oil, same thing, and I think I ate it with the Korean inspired barbecue ribs, and this was amazing, guys. So I don't really have any pork, I don't really have any diet restrictions other than we don't really eat pork like that. So I pretty much go crazy in Trader Joe's because they have options for everyone. Vegan, they have certain diet restrictions, they have something for everyone. So definitely recommend this, and the flavor is so bomb. Like, I just love. Next up is the chicken fried rice, and y'all, this is just as good as the vegetable fried rice, if not better. It just depends if you're wanting meat or not. So definitely recommend picking up a bag of chicken fried rice, and like I said before, make sure you get 2 or 3 bags, please. This is yummy. Same thing, cook this on the stove with olive oil. So next, I'm gonna move on to the breakfast items, and I only have one, but this is the Trader Joe's hash browns. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Insane. It's super quick and easy to cook. You can make these in the air fryer, and they taste literally amazing. You know, they last a good minute, so you don't need 2 packs. Now, oh man, I forgot a rice. So, ooh, yum. This is the spicy Thai shrimp fried rice, and this is absolutely amazing. I only recommend if you like spicy food because it is absolutely spicy, just like the name says. It's very spicy, but guys, this is so yummy. It has so much flavor. I couldn't believe that this was like a frozen meal. It actually tastes like I got takeout, like a really good takeout. So definitely recommend this rice. That's my last rice. Now I'm gonna get into some meats, and these are not in any specific order. So the honey walnut shrimp, guys, this is so amazing, and you can cook this in the air fryer or you can cook it on the stove, especially if you're doing the walnuts in it. But it tastes absolutely amazing, and like I said, it tastes like you just got some really good expensive takeout. And just shopping at Trader Joe's has saved me so much money because we don't really eat out like that unless it's date night or the weekend. Now, another favorite is the Kung Pao chicken. Now, we don't eat it. It actually comes with a little bag of nuts. We don't eat it with the nuts in it, but I cooked this in the air fryer, and y'all, this is absolutely delicious. It's not crispy. It's more of like the good chicken breasts, and it's so good. The flavor, everything about this right here is perfect. So definitely pick this up. Next up is the beef and broccoli. Once again, just delete your takeout numbers, delete your favorite takeout spots. This tastes like some extremely good takeout, and I've cooked this in the air fryer. I've also cooked it on the stove. This is absolutely delicious. Now, it's not really meaty like the chicken options, but it is really good, and it has a really nice crisp to it. So I definitely recommend picking up a bag of this if you're into beef and broccoli. Now, don't go to Trader Joe's without picking up some Mandarin orange chicken, y'all. This is amazing. The first time I tasted this, I was absolutely shook. It tastes better than Chinese takeout. Well, the takeouts that I've had, it tastes amazing because it's actually really crispy and the sauce is really good. So Panda Express, who is Panda Express, y'all? This is amazing. And yes, there's other takeout spots that are so bomb. I've had some really good orange chicken. Trust me, I have. But that is really good. Next up, I'm gonna go to pizzas. This is a mushroom and black truffle flatbread with mozzarella cheese. It is absolutely amazing. It's so good. If you're into like truffle and mushrooms, the mushrooms are finely chopped up, so they're actually really small. But y'all, this tastes really good. Me and my husband like this, and this was something I kind of just randomly picked up, and it's amazing. So definitely put this on your list. And last but not least, this is a French style flatbread with mushrooms and cheese. This is so good. If you put this in the oven, it takes a little while because it does come really soft, but this is really good. It just has a really good flavor, and all of this stuff is so different. Like if I went to a restaurant, I wouldn't have just, you know, picked this. So definitely pick up one of these. So that's all for the Trader Joe's haul. If you guys enjoyed this haul, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you want me to make any other type of Trader Joe's haul, please let me know. I'm gonna try to stuff this freezer. So y'all pray for me. Love and blessings. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.